Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLC 300 Coupe. This one is a selenite gray metallic. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds torque. 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. Black MB-Tex interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Sunroof. GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of all season and regular floor mats. Fold down 60/40 rear seats. Cargo cover. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system. Heated seats. Power windows. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. Hard keys for our media display. Cup holders. Touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. Dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLC Coupe has 59,592 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC Coupe, visit us at feldmanimports.com.